Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is wreaking havoc in western Montana. The number of confirmed cases in the Missoula area has doubled in the last 4 days. That number now stands at 14. Now, confirmed pertussis cases have been reported in 8 separate Missoula Valley area schools. In Florence, south of Missoula, the superintendent says the district has sent home 20 students so far. The number of people considered to be close contact cases, so potentially exposed people, has also risen from 300 to nearly 500. There was one case of whooping cough in Yellowstone County in early April, but no one else was affected.